Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. So we are about to go inside of CVS. I have a few CRTs, so we're gonna go inside and see what we can pick up today, okay? If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. And if you are a regular subscriber and you're coming back for another video, thank you so much. I appreciate all of you guys' support. We are almost to 8,000 subscribers, and my goal for the year was to be at 8,000. So now I'm gonna have to change it to maybe 12,000. So thank you guys so much and stay tuned. Okay guys, the first deal we're gonna do is use and spend 15, get $5 back. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of the 8-ounce bottles of this skin calming lotion. It's $9.29 each. So for both of them, it's gonna be $18.58. I'm gonna use 2 of the $3 off coupons we received in Sunday's inserts. I have a 3 off of 10 lotion CRT and a $1 off of 1 in-app coupon. I'm gonna pay $8.58 and I'll get $5 back. Now I scanned the bottles and there's 2 rebates attaching on Ibotta, so I'll let you know at the end what I got back, okay? Okay guys, I'm picking up one of these Revlon Tools right here. It is $5.49. I have a $5 CRT and I'm gonna use this $1 coupon, making it completely free. Okay, so Revlon is spend 15, get $5 back. I'm going to do this deal 2 times. I'm going to pick up 2 of the mascara at $9.59 and 2 of the Kiss Bombs at $5.49 each. So for everything here is a total of $30.16. I'm going to use 2 of the $3 coupons for the eyes and 2 of the $3 coupons for the lips. I have a 6 off of 30 CRT. I'm going to pay $12.16 and I'll get $10 back. Then in 24 hours or 48 hours, I'll get $3, making it free, and an 84-cent moneymaker because it all tracks towards beauty. Okay, next deal is the Colgates. Try to find 2 of the $7.98 ones. They are completely out of my store. Only these 2 left, so I'm gonna pick up these 2 at $7.98. There's a $7.98 off of 2 digital coupon, which is gonna come off, making these 2 completely free. Now the next deal I'm gonna do is the Crest. It's $3.99, and when you buy 3 you get a $5 extra care buck. You can do this a limit of 2 times. So I am picking up 6. So I'm picking up 6 at $3.99. That's $23.94. I'm going to use 4 of the $3 off 1 coupons that recently expired. And I have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I was going to try to use 5 and see if the digital still come off, but I just used 4. I didn't want to take the chance, okay? So after everything comes off, I'm going to pay $6.94 and I'll get $10 back, because I did the deal 2 times, making them all free and a $3.06 moneymaker. Okay guys, so the Lady Speed Stick is buy 1, get 1 50% off. I'm picking up 1 at $3.29. The other one is going to be $1.64. I'm going to use 2 of these 50-cent off coupons for each bottle, and I have a 2 off of 2 CRT. So the total is $4.93. I have $3 in coupons. I'll pay $1.93 and I'll get $2 back, making it free and a 65-cent moneymaker. Okay, so this is my spend 30, get $10 back. I am picking up 2 of the Gain liquid detergent at $5.94. And I'm going to show you the price of the Downy. It's $4.94. I am picking up 4 bottles of those. So for everything together, 4 Downy and 2 Gain is a total of $31.64. I'm going to use 4 of the $3 off coupons for the Downy, 2 $2 coupons for the Gain. I have a 3 off of 15 Gain Downy CRT. I'm going to pay $12.64, getting $10 back, making it just $2.64 for everything. Okay guys, so I am back from CVS and this is my lovely free haul. I did not record a clip of the Bumblebee Tuna. It's on sale this week for 99 cents. So I picked up 3 and it's $3. I used this 1 off of 3 coupon, so I paid $2. I paid $1.98, and then I got back $1 from Ibotta, so 25 cents for each one, and I got a 25-cent bonus, which is $1 back, making all 3 just 97 cents, okay? What else? The draft, I did not record this clip. I used the same $3 coupon for the Downy for the draft, making it just 99 cents. So this is everything I picked up. Let me show you my receipt. I need my, oh, by the way, y'all see my books over there? I'm supposed to be studying, and I'm over here giving y'all videos. Okay, so let me show you my receipt really quickly. All right, so this is the Bumblebee Tuna and the Revlon, the Eucerin deal. I have to tell you how much I got back on Ibotta for that. Everything came off. My Revlon 6 off of 30, my $5 off beauty tool, 3 off of 10 lotion. Everything came off. My total was $6.64. Now, I used some CRTs, but I had nothing that was lower. I had a bunch of $8 and $10, which I did not want to lose. So I didn't use that, but I got everything that I was supposed to get. I get $5 back for the Eucerin, $2 back for the Speed Stick, and $10 back for the Revlon. And within 48 hours, I'll get $3 back. So let me show you my other receipt. I did 3 transactions because I did not want to mess things up today, and I was pressed for time. So this is my spend 30. I did this in 1 transaction. I used $12.64. Well, it was a $3 one that adjusted down. I paid 0 out of pocket, and I got my $10 back. So for the last deal is the Crest. So this is the Colgate and Crest. I think if I lay down, it's better. Okay. So for this, everything came off. The $7.98 for the Colgate came off, and the 5 off of 3 came off as well. So I used 4 of the $3 coupons that I showed you in the clip. I didn't want to use a 5th one because I was not sure, and the store was closing. If I show you all the time, this is the time, 9:57. I was the only one in the store, and they keep telling me that it's okay. But when it's time for me to go home, I don't want anyone at my job trying to make me stay late. So I just went ahead and paid. I didn't want to use the 5th coupon, and then I had to cancel it if the digital didn't come off, okay? So you can try it if you're not pressed for time. So that $5 came off. The $3 here and $3 here is for the 2 draft that I just mentioned. I used $8.29. My total was 63 cents. And I got back $10. Okay, guys, so within 48 hours, I'm going to get a $3 beauty buck for the, actually, I'll get more. I was only a few dollars away from beauty. So the Eucerin and the makeup, I'll get back at least $6. So $6 back, making everything completely free and a $3.64 moneymaker. So this is an amazing, amazing haul. Now, if you have that 3 off of 15 Tide Gain CRT, so if you pick up 6 at $4.94, that's going to be $29.64. Use that $3 CRT and use 6 of the coupons. You're going to have to split it up, maybe 4 and 2. Or you can do some Gain and some Downy if you don't want to use 6 of the same coupons. You'll pay $8.64, making it free and a $1.36 moneymaker. I just wanted to throw that out there for you. So I'm almost to 8,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.